Hello friends, this is Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Would like to start the poem The Trees from the first flight book of Standard 10. We would like to see, as usual, our summary first. But prior to that, The Trees written by Adrienne Rich, female है, born May 16, 1929 to March 27, 2012. American poetess, essayist and feminist. She was called one of the most widely read and influential poets of the second half of the 20th century and was credited with bringing the operation of women and lesbian to the forefront of the poetic discourses, means speech. Her first collection of poetry, A Change of Word, was selected by renowned poet W.H. Auden for the Yale series of Younger Poets Awards. As usual, we are going to see the summary of that. What is that? Here, this poem is a symbolic poem. The trees will consider as a feminine gesture, and thus how considering with women, right, we would like to see the poetry. Initially, as we are going to see as usual, right, our poem in the form of summary. So let us see. Man uses the word growth and development, but he is at conflict with nature because he himself destroy nature to build his factories, building cemented road, and he has destroyed forest as well and the environment. This is the agony. Keeping trees in our house is not similar to nature. The trees are meant to be the forest which we have done away with, which we have removed in fact and made them empty. The trees in the poetess house want to break free and move to empty forest like women wants freedom. The trees are actually not moving. You are knowing it does not have locomotion to the forest, but poet imagines that the tree in her house seems to want to move to the forest which are empty and where they actually need to be. Actually उनका destination forest है, घर में नहीं है. In the house, no birds can sit on them, no insects can hide in them, even the sunlight cannot hide in the shadow of the tree. Poetess imagine that the way root silent work all night to move from crack, छोटी छोटी crack हो जाती है, of the veranda, that is the front house of the floor, the trees would be in the forest by morning. इसको ऐसा feel हो रहा है, right? Not only are roots working, but the leaves are also straining towards the glass, bending towards the glass, and especially if you can see, right, small twigs मतलब के वो branches जैसा, have become stiff as they have exerted themselves, came out as themselves, right? Now the long branches have been shuffling, moving under the roof, and they look like newly discharged patients, so that they look half days moving to the clinic door. जैसे उनको छुट्टी मिलती है पेशेंट को हॉस्पिटल से और धीरे धीरे कैसे चलते हैं, वैसे ट्रीज, राइट, वैसे उनको आनंद भी होता है कि चलो हॉस्पिटल में से हम लोग घर की ओर जा रहे हैं. वैसी फीलिंग, राइट, ट्रीज को घर में से बाहर फॉरेस्ट की ओर जाते हुए आती है. The poet sits writing long letters in a room which opens onto the veranda. She doesn't mention in the poem about the trees moving out from inside to the empty forest. ऐसा उसने mention नहीं किया. As she writes, she notices it is fresh full moon night. The moon shines in open sky, and not only that, but she can smell the leaves and lichen on the trees. Their fragrance come to her like a voice. Fragrance मतलब के smell. The fragrance fills the room like what? Whispering of people. उसने compare कैसे किया है? It also fills the head of the poetess, and however there will be total silence absolute silence, right? In the house the next morning. उसके एग्जिट हो जाने के बाद जैसे पूरा सुना सुना सा हो गया हो. She can hear the glass breaking as the twigs try to come out, as the trees come out, stumbling मतलब fall करता है ना वैसे. Forward into the night, the winds rush to meet them. वो जैसे ही स्टम्बल करके बाहर फॉल करके घर के बाहर निकलता है, कौन उसको पहले मिलने आता है? विंड. बराबर. उसकी फीलिंग देखो. The poet again imagined the moon appearing like a broken mirror, and its pieces are seen shining in the branches of the tallest of the tree. It's a metaphorical, quite metaphorical. Metaphorically, the trees also represent women who could be trying to break free from four walls, right? मैंने आपको बोला ये symbolic poem है, और symbolic poem मतलब के trees को अगर women के साथ compare किया जाए, इसको कैसे constrict करते हैं four walls में, इसको कैसा freedom नहीं मिलता है, और वो कैसे सब shackles break करके बाहर जाती है, ऐसा feel आता है. हमेशा ये एट्राइन रिच फेमिनाइन जेस्चर के ऊपर, राइट, या तो उनके फेवर में कुछ ना कुछ लिखती रहती है. सो बराबर ध्यान से देखो. इट्स अ मेटाफोरिकली द ट्रीज आल्सो रिप्रेजेंट विमेन who could be trying to break free from the four walls of the home into the open society where they rightfully belong to. ऐसा कुछ अच्छी फीलिंग के साथ, राइट, यहाँ पे ये पोएम हमको देखने को मिलता है. पहले अब हम लोग स्टैंजा वाइज पोएम देखेंगे, एंड देन वी वुड लाइक टू गो फॉर पोएटिक डिवाइसेस एज वेल. होपफुली, राइट, आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. द ट्रीज इनसाइड आर मूविंग आउट इनटू द फॉरेस्ट. घर के अंदर के ट्रीज मूव होके बाहर जा रहे हैं इनटू द फॉरेस्ट, जो इन एक्चुअल राइट में जा नहीं सकते. ये सब इमेजिनेशन है, फिक्शन है. द फॉरेस्ट दैट वाज एम्प्टी ऑल दिस डेज, where no birds could sit, no insect hide, no sun bury its feet in shadow, the forest that was empty all this night will be full of trees by morning. अब देखो इसका एक्सप्रेशन देखो, इसकी फीलिंग देखो. घर के अंदर जो उन लोगों ने रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके, राइट, ट्रीज को रखा है, they are going to move out of the home and go into the forest. Forest we make them deserted, empty all these days. Nowadays हम लोगों ने काट दिया है to get wood and to furniture, right, to get furniture. Usually when there are no trees in the forest, no birds could sit over there, no insect can hide over there, and no sun even can bury its, right, feet in shadow of the tree. ये सब quite difficult feeling है. The forest that was empty all this night, but as trees are moving from home, right, to the forest, right, now it will be full of trees by the morning. एक optimism है poets का. Women भी ऐसे ही restrict है, constrict है, four wall. Actually they should also allowed to go outside home, and they should be blossom like a flower, right. ऐसी feeling, right, ये poets की आती है. You must be knowing in 1901 only 5% education, 5%, right, literature, मतलब literacy, sorry, literature नहीं, literacy. और इसमें women का सिफर 0 था. They were not allowed to do. They have to do only household chores या तो upbringing the children. बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग बताई है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में उसने बताया है कि trees they are moving out of the home going to the forest, right, forest as it was empty because for our motive, our, right, gaining goal of getting wood, we have make them deserted. No birds they are sitting there, no insects are hiding there, no sun buries its feet in the shadow, and forest that was empty by the morning time as trees are moving out of the home, right, it will be full of trees by the morning. Pessimistic से optimistic feeling आ रही है. Now second stanza. All night the roots work. अब इसके लिए roots भी works कर रहे हैं, branches भी work कर रही है, right, सब उसके लिए work कर रहे हैं. All night the roots work to disengage. Disengage मतलब to free themselves from the crack. वो नीचे crack हो जाती है. Roots अगर सूखने लगते हैं ना तो crack हो जाती है. In the veranda floor, right. It's absolutely free. Veranda आप लोग जानते हैं, right, room. The leaves strain. Strain means make an effort, right, to move, to make an endeavor to move, try to move toward the glass. ग्लास होता है ना, ऐसे बैंड हो गए, ग्लास की ओर बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करते हैं. स्मॉल ट्विग्स. ट्विग्स मतलब टॉप ब्रांचेस. स्टिफ विथ एक्सर्शन. एक्सर्शन मूविंग. लॉन्ग क्रैम बाउ सफलिंग अंडर द रूफ. सफलिंग मतलब रीअरेंजिंग. बाउस मतलब ब्रांचिंग. Like newly discharged patient, half days moving to the clinic doors. Days मतलब surprise. When patients they are getting informed, or they are informed that you are getting discharged today from the hospital, how they smile, how they surprise. Likewise, the trees they are moving out of the home to the forest, right? They feel like a patient, those who are going to discharge from the hospital, and they are inching toward the home. ऐसी feeling कुछ आ रही है. बहुत अच्छा, right? Simile है. Like newly discharged patient, simile है. Synecdoche भी है. Half days means moving to the clinic doors, surprisingly. Second stanza में देखो, all the parts of the tree like roots, then stem, then twigs, right? They are working to free the tree, right? Not only that, but it was compared like a simile, like a patient, right, who discharged from half days, मतलब कि surprise moving to the clinic doors. ऐसे ही trees they are moving out of the home to meet the forest, to go into the forest. I sit inside, doors open to the veranda, writing long letters. Poet बैठ के लिख रही है, poetess. In which I hardly mention the departure of the forest from the house. In which hardly she mentioned the departure of the forest from the house. अब हाउस से जो डिपार्चर ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट वो बताया नहीं गया, उसने लिखा नहीं है. उसकी फीलिंग राइट है, और उसने लेटर में कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. The night is fresh, the whole moon shining outside, in a sky still open. It's a hyperbole. The smell of leaves and lichen. Lichen means crusty patches on tree trunks. Crusty patches on tree trunks of what? Right? Algae, green algae, or some part of that, right? Something that is stuck to it. Algae ही होता है, खास करके lichen तो. Still reaches like a voice into the room. ये भी एक simile है. Smell of a leaves and lichen still reaches like a voice into the room. कि भाई ये लोग छोड़ के जाने वाले हैं, वो feeling बता रहे हैं. I sit inside door, open to the veranda, writing long letters, but she had not mentioned anything about the departure of the forest from the house. Not only that, outside जो उसने background में तैयार की है feeling, night is absolutely fresh, whole moon is shining, in the sky still open, smell of the leaves में से जो smell आ रही थी, lichen, crusty patches on the tree trunks, especially of algae, still reaches like a voice into the room. Right? बहुत अच्छा बताया है. Crusty patches, firstly growth on the tree trunks formed by association of fungus and algae. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. Next stanza. My head is full of whispering. Full of whispering. Whispering मतलब धीरे धीरे जो बोलते हैं ना, whisper. Hello, can you hear? Like that. With tomorrow will be silent. My head is full of thought, whispering, lots of thought. With tomorrow will be silent. Listen, the glass is breaking. देखो, trees glass break करके, settle break करके जैसे women घर से बाहर निकलती है, वैसे ही उसने बताया है. Glass is breaking. The trees are stumbling forward, faltering forward into the night. But उसको कौन बाहर मिलने आ रहा है? Winds rushes to meet them. It is also a hyperbole. The moon is broken. तो पूरा full moon है, वो भी उसको मिलने की तलाश में है, right? तो moon is broken like a mirror. Its pieces flash now in the crown of the tallest oak tree. Oak tree is a long oak tree, long lived 300 long year tree है. तो supposed to go, यहाँ पे नाम लिखा है Adrienne Rich, poetess. was born in Baltimore, Maryland, US in 1929. She is the author of nearly 20 volumes of poetry and has been called a feminist and a radical poet, always writing something in favor of what, right? Female, and that's why it is a feminist ऐसा लिखा है. नीचे कुछ words भी है जो right आप लोग देख सकते हैं. Already मैंने आपको बता दिए, वहां पे ही लिखे हैं, right? Crusty patches of beachy growth of tree trunks, bare ground formed by association of fungus and algae. क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपकी बुक में है ही, तो आपको वो भी प्रिपेयर करने हैं. अब हम लोग देख लेंगे राइट पोएटिक डिवाइस. तो पोएटिक डिवाइस के लिए हम लोग आगे चलते हैं. हम लोग स्टेंजा बाय स्टेंजा देखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में राइट अगर हम लोग देखें तो पोएटिक डिवाइसेस फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट. The trees inside are moving out into the forest. Antithesis है, opposite word inside and out are used in the same sentence for poetic effect. दूसरा एक metaphor भी है, ये poem ही metaphoric है. There is a implied comparison, indirect comparison between trees and women. That's what I have been talking to you. Point of comparison is to break free from the four walls, what they have been constricted, what they have been restricted into a four wall. तीसरा भी एक है, usual है, right? Hyperbole. कौन सा? Right? There is an overstatement or exaggerated statement. Trees from inside the house are moving out. दूसरी लाइन देखो, forest that was empty all these days, hyperbole है, right? दूसरा है hyperbole. There is an overstatement that the forest was empty. एकदम भी empty नहीं है, हाँ हमने थोड़े बहुत कर दिए हैं. No birds could sit, no insect hide. Litote से negation, no not never use होता है. Negation is used to convey an affirmative meaning that the birds are unable to sit and insect unable to hide. Negation है. Repetition भी है, right? No 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 is repeated for the poetic effect. आगे देखते हैं, no sun bury. नीचे वाली लाइन देखो, no sun bury its feet shadow. यहाँ personification है, inanimate object sun is given the human quality of having feet. And hyperbole तो as usual है ही है, right? दूसरा लिखा है hyperbole, overstatement that sun has feet and buries themselves in the shadow of the tree. And litotes भी है, negation is used to convey an affirmative meaning, right? That the sun is unable to bury his feet. आगे देखते हैं, the forest that was empty all this night will be full of trees by morning. The last two line of a first stanza. Antithesis है, empty and full as well as night and morning. आप लोग देखेंगे two opposite word used in the same sentence of poetic effect. वहां पे दूसरा synecdoche भी है, part of roots stands for the tree. और एंटीथेसिस के बाद एलिट्रेशन भी है, आई बेग योर पार्डन, वो मैंने नीचे का बता दिया. साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट एफ इज रिपीटेड, फॉरेस्ट फुल, डब्ल्यू वॉज विल, राइट? मतलब कि यहाँ पे आपका फर्स्ट स्टेंजा का पोएटिक डिवाइसेस खत्म हो गया. अब देखो सेकंड स्टेंजा. ऑल नाइट्स वुड वर्क टू डिसएंगेज देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम क्रैक्स इन द वेरांडा फ्लोर, राइट? पर्सोनिफिकेशन है, roots are given the human quality of working to disengage from the cracks in the veranda floor. मैंने आपको बताया floor, and synecdoche, the part root stands for the entire tree. दूसरे में देखेंगे leaves strain toward the glass, synecdoche है, part leaves stands for the tree. Small twigs stiff with exertion, right? ये भी synecdoche है, part twig stands for the tree. दूसरा देखो, long cramp boughs shuffling under the roof like newly discharged patient half days, right? Moving to the clinic doors. यहाँ पे simile है, branches of the indoor tree are compared with patient. The point of comparison is to be discharged or allowed to move indoors. Synecdoche भी है, the part branches bough stands for the tree. और एक stanza लेते हैं. I sit inside, doors open to the veranda, right? Metonymy है. आगे भी ले लेते हैं. I sit inside, open to the veranda, writing long letters. इसमें in which I scarcely hardly mention the departure of the forest from the house. एक metonymy है. Forest represent the tree over here in the house. Forest को पूरा tree से substitute किया गया है. Alliteration भी है. Forest from, VV का है veranda, which, और the important one, personification भी है. Trees are given the human quality of moving out. Night is fresh, the whole moon shines in the sky still open. Hyperbole है. That is an overstatement that the whole moon shines in the sky that is still open. Right? ये एक थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया overstatement. Smell of the leaves and lichen still reaches like a voice into the room. Simile है. There is a direct comparison between the smell of leaves and lichens and human voice. Point of comparison is to be still something that is telling something about. Next one, next stanza dekhte hain. My head is full of whispers which tomorrow will be silent. Pehli do line. Antithesis है, opposite word whispering and silent are used in the same sentence for the effect. Whispering and silent, देखो arrow किया है ऐसा, right किया antithesis. Hyperbole भी है, overstatement that the head is full of whisper. And synecdoche भी है, part head stands for the, right, poet. Alliteration तो usual होता है. Sound of consonant W is repeated in the word whisper, which and will. Next one, listen. ऐसा poet बोलती है. The glass is breaking, apostrophe है. It's a direct address is made to someone who is not present over there. हमको बोल रही है, सुनो 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 ऐसा, right? The trees are stumbling forward into the night. Personification है. Trees को एक human quality दी गई है, falling down, faltering down, stumbling down, और एक hyperbole भी है. There is an overstatement that trees are stumbling forward, right? ऐसा भी हमको देखने को मिलता है. बस last two line है. Sorry. Wind rushes to meet them. The moon is broken like a mirror. पहले wind rushes to meet them देखते हैं. Personification है. Inanimate wind is given a human quality of rushing to meet the trees, and hyperbole, there is an overstatement that the winds are rushing to meet the indoor, trying to go to the forest. It is an exaggerated statement. And last one, moon is broken like a mirror, its pieces flashed now in the crown of tallest oak. So simile hai, direct comparison between the moon and the broken mirror. Point of comparison is to be seen shining in bits. And last one, last figure of speech, hyperbole. There is an overstatement that the moon is like broken mirror shining, right, in parts. So this is an extraordinary poem by Adrian Rich. This you can consider that one of the finest poem that little bit tough. आपको 2-4 बार देखनी पड़ेगी because it has got some hidden views of poetess regarding that how the women's are not given freedom. They are restricted into the 4 walls or constricted in the 4 walls of home, right? And they wanted to go into the open society where they rightfully belong to. Thank you very much. If you like this video, you share, subscribe, and also like. Thank you very much.